Assalamu alaikum, welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to convert or insert Excel sheet into AutoCAD. Mostly I'm using two methods. One I will show you today, which is very simple and faster. So let's start. I have one Excel sheet. Just select the portion which one you want and right click, copy, go to AutoCAD. Here also right click, clipboard and paste. But the result is like this. It's not looks like an AutoCAD format. There is another command, paste special. You have to type it like paste special, enter. Here select AutoCAD entities and OK. Now you see the big difference between these two. It is looks like an AutoCAD format or AutoCAD table. The advantages of this, you can edit here in AutoCAD this format. Double click, enter, already shifting to another cell. Up to you. When editing is finished, just click outside the box. So this is the simple format which I'm using. There is another method which is called data link. I will make another video on that. It will be a little bit lengthy than this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel.